Have the new edition 2026 of the Lutterloh pattern making system. It comes with a beautiful pattern. So here in the box you have the quick look of the steps how to make your beautiful patterns made to measure. So here you have your kit. In the binder you will have the pins to mark your measurement. You have two, and a cardboard curve, Tailor curve. You have the metric tape to mark your bust and hip measurement. Come from 50 up to 140. So you mark here your bust and hip measurement, your pen or marker, and all the instructions, detailing instruction step by step, bust measurement, hip measurement, how to take your measurement, how to place your pattern in the paper, and how to mark your measurement in the scale. And we go to the center cross to mark all your dots, aligning on each line, marking all the dots in the pattern. And then you connect the dots and you have your pattern made to measure. How to leave for seam allowance and hems. Try always your pattern before cutting and cut your material. The explanation about the proportion of the human body and the symbol page. This is important. You can take a photocopy to have it at hand. For example, the A front, the B back, and all the symbols in the pattern. The practical hints section to the finishings, how to sew the pockets, the sleeve, the collar. Put all your patterns in the strain of the grain. And here we have all the 280 different styles of your kit. Very, very beautiful and flattering styles. Here in the lower part you have the fabric you need for each pattern, and in the back of the page you have all the patterns that you need for each one of your projects. For example, this style is a sophisticated look in a dress or with a straight skirt. And this little dress, this beautiful dress, the top with the long sleeve, the turtleneck, is tailored and elegant outfit. And this casual outfit in denim is perfect. Here the princess cut, in the pattern you have two pieces. You make all the pattern and then you cut in the black line to separate the two pieces, and you have the two patterns. Easy tunic dress for full figure size that come with more ease. Halter blouse and dress, pants and shirt. Here a tunic dress. This design features a semicircular skirt, and it's just beautiful, and you can take top and skirt separately. Sport wear, of course, t-shirt, for the gym, for the yoga, the leggings. For kids, the little dress, the blouse, the coat, something like Chanel style. A pleated skirt, a gorgeous coat with these pants, and this dress and pants, this color. These two dresses are timeless styles, and this coat, for example, the detail is just beautiful. Here an elegant draped collar, an inline skirt at the pool, the jacket, the dress, formal wear, these comfortable pants and the dress. Here the sleeve is special, for a special occasion, of course, more fitted style. Here more loose style. the jeans in denim, the dresses here, princess cut, comfortable for young people. This is a slim pattern. Here is beautiful, the design, the neckline, this halter style. With the skirt could be in denim. Dresses, this beautiful A-line dress. This tunic is gorgeous. Here we have also the legging. This is beautiful for a night out, to dresses. A beautiful gatherer detail in the skirt, the corset, the mini skirt, and the Chanel coat. The blouses, the collars, the sleeves are special also in this style, the pants and the top. Fantastic shirt dress. And for men, the jacket, the bermuda, you can make pants over there, and the vest. These more fall styles. One of my favorites is this globe skirt. This jacket for fall and winter. The gather skirt is beautiful, the tops, the vest, this classic outfit, elegant, the mini gather skirt, the pants and the pull, also the dress with their fantastic sleeves, the coat, this simple dress in the left you can customize. This elegant outfit, the square neckline, the dress for a special occasion, the Lucy coat, very comfortable, the pants here and the jacket, pyjama of course. For men, the hoodie and the denim jacket for men. This dress, the polka dot, I love it. Asymmetric also the other dress. This is comfortable for office. This neckline is fantastic, comfortable for go to summer vacations, this to go to cocktail party. The raglan sleeve in here, the princess cut from the shoulder. I love this style, so summer and romantic. These tops, this asymmetric skirt, and also the blouses, these necklines and jacket and pants. This one for full figure that come elegant and comfortable with more ease. The bikini and the bathing suit for maternity, the dress, the pants. These pieces are basic. For men, the t-shirt, the pants in the jeans. The skirt is beautiful. This little skirt maybe is with short in the underneath. And the polo, the raglan sleeve, and this classical style. You can create and customize beautiful stuff with that pattern. This draped dress and blouse on top for a wedding dress, for a party. This is also comfortable. Projects for beginners and for advanced sewers. The jacket, this one is beautiful. The skirt, the dress. The dresses are so romantic. And this skirt, elegant skirt. The jeans and the pull. The sleeve here with the waist adjusted in the dress. A lot of style, sleeve choices, necklines to have ideas. A complete garderobe, versatile patterns for everyone, for all the family. Here I have second wedding dress, and the dress is perfect to little night out, the pants, the strapless dress, adjusted and fitted is fabulous. Here the little skirt in jeans in denim, the tops in stretch fabric, a classic shirt and a skirt for full figure. Really a lot of choices. Another pajama for little kids. Here from 2 to 5. You have your complete kit with 280 patterns that you can mix and match, customized to your style. And you have the 2 rulers with your complete kit. You have in this beautiful bag, you have both in acrylic. This one is the designer curve for pants and jacket, and the facings and soft curves. And you have the Tailor curve. Here you have 3 curves, the regular one, the small sizes, and for kids. You have the bottom holes, the bottoms sizes, and a strain of the grain, a perpendicular to mark your strain of the grain. And in the back part of the bag, you have how to use your curves, your rulers, to draft your patterns accurately.